Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we will be making a body butter using shea butter. I love shea butter. I've been using it for so many years. I use it on my skin. I use it on my hair. It has so many health benefits. I usually get my shea butter from my Ghanaian vendors because the shea butter they bring is extremely rich. It's organic, it's soft, it's fresh, it's natural, and I just love it. I just love it. So, what are the health benefits of shea butter? Why shea butter? First of all, it is an anti-aging product. It's an anti-aging product. It's very rich in vitamin E, meaning it gives you that natural glow. Vitamin E obviously is good for the skin. It brightens up the skin. Shea butter is very good for dry skin or for those people that suffer from eczema, acne, or blemishes. It reduces skin inflammation. It helps for those that have stretch marks, and it also provides relief to itchy and peeling skin. And one health benefit that I love is the fact that it restores the elasticity of the skin. So how do I make my body butter? As you can see, I have my shea butter ready. I have coconut oil, I have olive oil, and lemon oil. So this is just me prepping. Then what I normally do is I cut them into small pieces and I whip it. Yes, so you can whip it, you can blend it, but what you do is you whip it. So you whip it to a very creamy texture. It has to be very creamy. It has to be extremely light. It has to be very smooth. And once it's whipped, it's good to go. So this is me packaging the shea butter. It's good to go. I use this for my business. I have clients that buy my products. It's called Shea. Please check it out. And that's the end. Thank you so much for stopping by.